Community Golf Club. Since 1897, Oneida Community Golf Club has been home to some of the best golf in central New York. Originally owned and operated by Oneida Limited, the club now offers an expansive 18-hole golf course alongside dining, a full bar, and gorgeous views of the scenic Sunset Lake. With play beginning in late March and running through early November, there's plenty of time for you to make your way to Cheryl Kenwood for a round. Come play on our rolling hills, manicured greens and fairways, while navigating the meandering Oneida Creek and lush woodlands that enhance the scenic course. And of course, don't forget about the dining. Lakeside Landing at Oneida Community Golf Course offers a full menu and bar with quality food and drink for lunch or dinner.